Welcome back to Rome Tips. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. What follows is my personal experience using this product. We're taking a look at Exodus, found at https://www.exodus.com, a platform designed for managing your cryptocurrency. While I haven't personally used it for actual trading, I've spent some time exploring its features and interface. Exodus presents itself as a user-friendly option, especially for those new to the crypto space. The design is clean and visually appealing, which can be a significant advantage when navigating the often complex world of digital currencies. One of the standout features is the built-in exchange. This allows you to swap between different cryptocurrencies directly within the Exodus platform, potentially simplifying the trading process. It's worth noting that I haven't personally tested this feature with real transactions, so I can't speak to its performance in a live market environment. However, the integration of an exchange directly within the wallet interface certainly seems convenient. Exodus also supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, which provides flexibility for users looking to diversify their holdings. This broad compatibility is a definite plus, although it's always wise to do your own research and ensure that any coins you're interested in are supported. Remember, the cryptocurrency landscape is constantly evolving, so keeping up to date with supported assets is essential. Security is a paramount concern in the crypto world, and Exodus addresses this by offering private keys and giving users full control over their funds. This emphasis on user custody is crucial for maintaining security and control over your digital assets. However, it also means that users bear the responsibility for safeguarding their private keys. Losing these keys means losing access to your funds, so proper security measures are absolutely vital. Exodus provides resources and guidance on securing your keys, and it's highly recommended to take advantage of these. While Exodus looks promising based on my initial exploration, it's important to remember that this is not financial advice. Always conduct your own thorough research before making any investment decisions. My goal here is simply to share my first impressions and highlight some of the key features of the Exodus platform. Ultimately, the best way to determine if it's the right fit for you is to explore it yourself and see if it meets your specific needs. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information. And as always, thanks for watching.